guy named Jan. A few good ideas. So we wrote something together.
Nice sweater.
There's no more content, cried Sam Fromer to J-Fro, which made me wonder, where did his drive go? Year after year of being the champ must have made his brain hazy and lazy and damp. What a great opportunity, I thought out of the blue, to prove to Sam I can catch a grape and a clue. To let him know I can handle this game, and to teach him finally that I have a first name. But what to write about? I struggled and I thought. Nothing was coming, not a single thought. Poke fun at the friends, the family, our hosts? Forget it, I thought. We've overdone that roast. Maybe the weather, the flowers, and the trees? Now I'm just saying the things that I see. Then it came to me like a flash of light, and in an instant, I knew I was right. The real reason each year we come and we gather, the item of preference, the thing we'd all rather. Should I do it? Should I not? No, I can't be a wuss. So I titled my poem, Chicken Lollies by Naftalis. Some are big, and some are small. Some are thin, and some are tall. Some are hairy, and some are clean. Some are meaty, and some are lean. Get your heads out of the gutters, little Jake and Alex. I'm talking about poultry, not something phallic. Some are darker, and some are light, always mouth-watering upon first sight.
Now I'm going there. That's hysterical.
With a number of sauces, we mix and we stir. Barbecue, Frank's Red, and I think it's called Worcestershire. Is this how you feel every year?
No, that one much better.
They're golden and brown, so deep fried and oiled. I'm pretty sure I'd eat them even after they're spoiled. All over the world, they're known far and wide, from Inglewood and Teaneck to the Lower East Side. So many questions my friends like to ask. How does it work? Who handles this task? Where are they sent? Where do they go? Relax, I say. They're made in Mexico. With his whips and his chains, Josh yells, make it snappy! And at $2.50 an hour, they're more than happy.
That's awesome.
Weeks, they work and they toil, and all we have to do is dip them in oil. All year long, we sit and we wait, but when those fryers turn on, we start to salivate. When they're finally done, we push and we shove, and one by one, we each burn our tongue. So delicious and juicy, just like I remember, crispy on the outside and inside so tender. Oh, my chicken lollies make it hard to poo.